Welcome back, YouTubers. I know it's been a while, but today we're actually going to go for a bike ride. And today we got two bikes. We got the Honda Shadow 750 Spirit, and we got an Indian 1000. So we're going to take these bad boys all the way to Bruceton Mills, West Virginia, and check it out over there. See what it's like. Alright, y'all, we're here, we made it. We're gonna go check it out, see what's around here. But yeah, gonna go down the trail. Ooh. Oh, man, look at that. Bet you there's a bunch of snakes down there. I see the overlook. Alright guys, so that's a little bit of that. Now we're gonna head back home and have some fun on the road.